Hello everyone. So in our today's problem, we have to find the subsequence of length k with the largest sum. So you will be given one integer array and one integer. All you have to find the subsequence array with the maximum sum. So the length should be not more than k. The length should be k actually. So for example, this is our array, and all we have to find a subsequence of array whose length is k and the sum is maximum. So here, if our length is 2, so we can take this 2 value, and the sum will be 3 and 3 is 6. So this is the maximum one. And if you have a look at our second example, so here our array is -1, -2, 3, 4, and length is 3. So we just took our first element -1 and 3, 4. So the sum is 6. Same here, like we took the largest 2 value. So all we have to do, we have to pick the largest k values from the number. So to solve this problem, what we can do, if I talk about the beginner approach, initially what I can do, I can sort this array, right? So I can sort this array, and initially I can take one temp array. Temp array is equal to nums, so it's 2, 1, 3, 3. Then I can sort array. Sorted array will be like 1, 2, 3, 3. Or without sorting, what we can do? Without sorting, we can do one thing. So let's take one array, like it's called response, and let's take the first 2 value from here. 2, my bad, 2 and 1. And we'll run one loop till my cap till my from my third integer, third index to the last index. So I will check with like the minimum of my current array. The minimum of my current array is 1, and I will check with the third index of my nums array, and I will check, okay, if it is the minimum, I'll just write it, minimum is equal to 1. If the minimum is smaller than my current value, which is 3, then I'll insert my current value. So my new array will be like this, 2, 3. Then I will check the minimum is 2, right? Here the minimum is 2. Again, I will check the minimum. If my minimum is less than my current value, now the current will be this one, right? Yes, so I'll just replace it my current value, 3, 3. So here, each and every time what I have to calculate the minimum number, right? Now we have one more approach. One more approach we can take. All we will take one temp array, then it will be same, like temp array will be 2, 1, 3, 3. Then we'll sort the array. Sort the array will be 1, 2, 3, 3. Then what I can do, I can take one hash table, which is unordered map in C++. Okay, unordered map, and take integer, unordered map. And what I can do, I can took two approach from here. Either I can sort in ascending order, or I can sort it in descending order. So descending order will be 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 1. So I'll go with the descending order. Now what I'll do, I'll check, I'll say, I'll check int I equal to 0 till k minus 1. And I'll say another map of sorted array of first means I is so sorted of I plus plus. So means here k is equal to 2, so I'll run 2 times here. So the answer will be like this. Another map will be the first two value is 3. So value of 3 will be 2, right? That's it. Then what I can do, I'll run one loop I equal to 0 till n minus 1. Then what I'll do, I'll run loop on my temp array. So if I'll check, for example, temp is 2, I'll check is 2 is in my unordered map. If it is there, then insert it. So I'll check like this: if MP of TMP of I is there, so is greater than 0, then I will like insert it in my answer array. So answer pushback, something like this. And if it is not there, then don't insert it. And each and every time if I got it, I'll just decrease the value of my current unordered map. So when it will be like in 2, so 2 is not in my unordered map, right? So just ignore it. Then I will come on the 1. It will not be in the my unordered map. Ignore it. So okay. Then it will come on 3. It will see, oh, 3 is there. So answer dot pushback 3, and then decrease the value. So value will be 1. Then again it will come on 3. Okay, 3 is there. So answer dot pushback 3 and decrease the value, make it 0, and we found our answer like this. So if I write code here, what I did, I took another map and okay. So vector entry, I can take one answer and another one is temp. Temp will equal to okay. Then I'll take I'll sort the number. So now start begin, now start end, and I'll make it descending order. So descending order will be vector. I have vector int. No, it will be greater. Yeah, I have greater int. Yeah, I have. So all I have to take one unordered map. Unordered map. That's it. Then I'll run one loop. Point I less than k I plus and p of my sorted array, right? Sorted, yeah. Non-sided sorted, answer of I plus. Then I'll run one more loop for I equal to 0 plus 10 I less than 10 plus size and I plus plus. Then what I have to do, I have to check if under map have this value. So temp of I is there greater than 0, then um, then answer dot push, oh my god, back of I, and this time I will decrease the value. So instead of doing this here, I can say I hope I'm doing right, and then return answer right there. Yeah, and if I submit my code, that's it. Thank you so much.